All right, here's a very cool feature on this Roku Smart TV. The brand I have here is a Philips, but this should work with any brand of smart TV that uses the Roku operating system. It is a live TV pause feature that gives you the ability to pause, rewind, and fast forward up to 90 minutes of live over-the-air antenna TV. You can find it here by highlighting the Live TV app on your home screen and then press the star button on the remote control to bring up this mini menu. Here it is here. We'll select Live TV Pause. And as a reminder, this is for live over-the-air channels received with a TV antenna only. It will not work with the free streaming channels included with Roku devices. It gives you the ability to pause, rewind, and fast forward up to 90 minutes of live TV. We'll go ahead and select Set Up Live TV Pause. And for the next step here, you will need to insert a USB drive into the slot on the back of the TV. You'll need a USB drive that has at least 16 gigabytes of storage. And be warned that the USB that you're going to use will be formatted by the TV, and that means that everything that's on there will be erased. So do not use a USB drive that you have any important documents, family pictures, or videos on, because they will be gone. The best thing to do is to buy a new USB stick to use for this purpose. They're not that expensive anyways. Then you don't have to worry about losing anything important. Once the USB slot is inserted into the back of the television, you can go ahead and continue. And pressing continue brings you to the next screen where you'll be asked to enter a unique 4-digit code, and that will begin the formatting process. Remember, don't use a USB drive that has anything important on it. Just buy a new one for this purpose. And once that is done, the Live TV Pause feature is enabled. And once this feature is enabled, start at your home screen and select the Live TV app, and you'll notice that all of the live channels you receive with your TV antenna have a little play button on them, and that's a sign that this feature is available. And from there, you can pause, rewind, and fast forward up to 90 minutes of live television. And there's even thumbnails that appear to help you navigate through a program to select a spot to watch. As a little reminder, though, this feature will not work with the free streaming channels included on Roku devices. If you try to pause or rewind one of those, you're going to get this message here on the screen. A couple of final notes. The first one, every time you change the channel, the 90 minutes of pause rewind time is automatically reset. And finally, while this is a nice convenience feature, being able to pause and rewind live TV, this is not a substitute for a proper DVR to record over-the-air programs.